Hello everyone. Welcome to online session Standard 5th Computer Subject. Lesson number 9 Introduction to QBasic. Now you are learning the operators. Operators. There are three types of operators in a QBasic. Arithmetic operators. A computer performs many arithmetic operators and calculations with the help of arithmetic operators. The basic arithmetic operators are given here. Operator, explanation, example and result. Suppose A is equal to A and B is equal to 4. Operator plus the addition two or more numbers A plus B. Here A value is a 8 and B value is a 4. So result is coming 12. Minus the subtraction two or more numbers A minus B. So A value is a 8 and B value is a 4. So result is coming 4. Multiply. To multiply two or more numbers A multiply B. So 8 into 4 is equal to result is 32. Divide. To divide two or more numbers A divide B. A value is 8 and B value is 4. So 8 divide 4 is equal to result is coming 2. Exponentation. To calculate the exponentation value, A exponentation 3 means A root 3. So value A root 3 means what? A is a 8 value. You can multiply 8 into 3 times. So result is coming 512. Relational operators. They are used to compare two values using any of the given relational operators from a relational expression. Operator equal to. This operator is used to check the equality between the two operands. A is equal to B. A value is a 10 and B value is a 8. So result is coming false. Less than and greater than. This operator checks the non-equality between the two operands. A less than greater than B. True, because A value is a 10 and B value is a 8. Greater than. This operator checks whether the first value is greater than the second value. A is greater than B. Result is coming true. Less than. This operator checks whether the first value is less than the second value. A is less than B. So result is coming
greater than
false.
equal to.
This operator checks whether the first value is greater than or equal to the second value. A is greater than equal to B. Result is coming true. Less than equal to. This operator checks whether the first value is less than or equal to the second value. Means A is less than is equal to B. False. Here A is defined value 10 and B is defined the value 8. Logical operator. Logical operators are used to perform the logical operators on the numerical value. Logical operators are used to combine two or more relational expressions and return a single value as a true or false in a decision. The common logical operators are AND, or, NOT. Operator: A is equal to 10, B is equal to 15 and C is equal to 20. And this operator returns the true only if both the relational expressions are true.
C is greater than A and C is greater than B. Result is coming true. A is greater than C and B is less than A. Result is coming false.
Or this operator returns the true if at least one of the relational expression is true. B is greater than A or B is greater than C. Here B value is 15 and A value is 10. Again B value is 15 and C value is 20. So result is coming true. A is equal to C or B is equal to C. A value is 10 and C value is 20. Again B value is 15 and C value is 20. So result is coming false. Not. This operator is used with a single relational expression. It returns true if the relational expression returns false and vice versa. Not. A is greater than C. A is equal to 10 and C is equal to 20. So result is coming true. Not. B is less than C. B value is 15 and C value is 20. So result is coming false. Hierarchy of the operation. Hierarchy defines the order in which the operators are executed in any basic expression. We use BEDMAS for the hierarchy of the operator. The full form of BEDMAS is B is equal to bracket, E is equal to exponentiation, D is equal to division, M is equal to multiplication, A is equal to addition, and S is equal to subtraction. Let's see one example. Solve the expression. 12 multiply 4 plus in bracket 14 plus 4 close the bracket plus 2 exponentiation 2 subtraction 12 divide 6. First bracket will be solved. 12 multiply 4 plus 18 plus 2 exponentiation 2 minus 12 divide 6. Then exponentiation will be performed. 12 multiply 4 plus 18 plus 4 minus 12 divide 6. Now division will be performed. 12 multiply 4 plus 18 plus 4 minus 2. Then multiplication will be performed. 48 plus 18 plus 4 minus 2. The addition will be performed. 70 minus 2. Now subtraction will be performed. So result is coming 68. This is the answer. The operators are executed from the left to right in any expression as per the hierarchy. Q basic statement. Rem. This statement is used to give a remark in a program. The computer does not execute this statement since Whatever is written after the rem is ignored by the computer. Rem can be used anywhere and many times in a program. It is a good practice to use a rem statement at the start of the program to explain what the program is all about. Example: write a QBasic program to display the biodata of a student. Number 10. Rem to display the biodata of student. 20. Print in double quotes roll number, semicolon 1 double quotes complete. 30. Print in double quotes name, semicolon Rehan Khanna double quotes complete. 40. Print in double quote class, semicolon 6A double quotes complete. 50. End. Print statement. It is used to display any message or result on the screen. Any text written in a double quotes is printed as such. Anything written without quotes is treated as a program component and its value will be displayed. Syntax. Line number. Print in double quote message. Line number. Print variable name. Line numbers are optional. Example: 20. Print in double quotes welcome to the world of basic programming. Double quotes complete. It will display the message welcome to the world of basic programming. Print A. It will display the value stored in the variable A. Print. It will leave a blank line.